Ever wanted to carry multiple operating systems on a single USB drive? In this video, we'll show how to create a multi-boot OS USB so you can install or test several operating systems with just one pen drive. Let's get started. Step 1. Download a multi-boot tool. First, download a free tool like VentoE, Yumi, or Multi-Boot USB. For this tutorial, we'll use VentoE because it's simple and powerful. Go to the VentoE GitHub page and grab the latest release. Download for VentoE Windows.zip for Windows. Download complete extract zip folder to drive and open VentoE folder. Step 2. Prepare your USB drive. Insert a USB stick, at least 16 gigabytes, and back up your important files. Click Veni2 Disk to launch VentoE. Select your USB from the tool and click Install. You will get data lost warning that this will format and prepare your pen drive for multi-boot use. Click Yes to confirm install. Wait a few moments while process going on. Congratulations! VentoE has been successfully installed on the drive. Press OK to close. Step 3. Add different OS ISO files. Now, simply drag and drop the ISO files of the operating systems you want, like Windows, Ubuntu, Fedora, directly onto the USB drive. VentoE will recognize all ISOs, and you can add as many as your storage allows. Step 4. Boot and select OS to test multi-OS drive. Plug the pen drive into your laptop or PC and reboot. Enter the boot menu. Off an F12 or escape button at startup. Select the USB drive, and you'll see a menu listing all the ISOs you copied. Just pick the OS you want to run or install. That's it. You now have a multi-OS bootable USB ready for installs and troubleshooting. If this video helped you build your ultimate tech toolkit, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.